What a bellend. Ah, you silly bitch. I wonder if you'll be able to see her on the phone. Oh, hang on. On the curb, yes! You're a legend.
Oh babe, I'm absolutely starving.
Good luck getting past that in your wheelchair. Oh, how can you get it wrong, man? There's massive signs just around that corner. Then there's big white writing on the road and a big red road as well. How can you possibly get it wrong? How can you possibly get it wrong? Look, it even says police on there. You monkey. It is like the perfect place to park to get your subway though, isn't it? So I can't blame them, man. I can't blame them. Just to be clear, I just realised that some haters are going to watch that and assume that I use it as well. I don't use that. I'm not stupid. I have a little bit of common sense. Not much, but I have a little bit. Talking of common sense, there is a very commonsensical person just there. The thing is, I refuse to believe that people just can't read. It's not that, is it? They know exactly what they're doing. They know exactly what it says on the road, and they've done it anyway. Oh, hello. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. I am so calm right now. I can't stand them pricks who don't say thank you. It's not hard. All you got to do is get your fingers on top of the steering wheel. Your hand is on top of the fucking steering wheel. All you got to do, yeah? Oh, noise. All you got to do is flick your fucking finger to say thanks. You ignorant. Beep. I'm calm. I'm okay now. I'm good again. Panic over. Come on, let's get some thank yous on the go. Let's get some thank yous. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Ugh, disgusting person. Disgusting. Ugh. Good cyclist, kind of good cyclist. Slurp, suck on that bottle. He has got his mirrors folded. That's a parked car, boys and girls. That is a parked car. A badly parked car, might I add. Badly parked. Oh, he's got a little sticker on the back. How's my driving? 017-956-2411. ID number 091. Now, technically, he's not driving bad. He's driving very slow. We're going 12 miles an hour, 13 miles an hour. Is that bad driving? And it gets annoying after a while. It's funny for a little bit to follow some clown going 12 miles an hour in a 20 zone. But after a while, it just gets boring, it gets old, and it gets annoying. And then you just want to overtake him. But is it technically bad driving? Is there anything that can say you're driving badly because you're driving so slow? Is there a law or some sort of like regulation or some nonsense that says going half the speed limit is illegal? Or I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you find one. Banksy. Oh, I was waiting for that. Oh, we got another one. Hang on. Here he comes. We got a little straggler behind. He's not quite quick as everyone else. Oh, bless him. Oh, that looks so bumpy though, didn't it? Wow. You just done the red light as well. Oh, wow. No, go away, Julia, go away. I can see your battle scars on your bumper. I can see your damage. Get away from my ass. Do like them things. Get away, run away, run away, run away. Thank you, thank you. Dirty
Little
fucking
bastard.
animal! Oh, I wanted him to crash into her then. I wanted him to crash into her.
It was close.
Oh.
But you don't want tight, really tight, because that's the tightest we can go.
Shout special, baby girl.
Special!
Thank you.
No, green light.
Yeah, well, she's blocked the road up, hasn't she, baby girl? There's a green light for her, but she blocked the road up. I didn't know whether to let her. So, yeah, we'll let her go. Come on then, come on. You looking or not? Hello.
She'll just look at you.
Well, eventually, yeah. She's looking the other way, wouldn't she?
Silly lady.
Silly lady. That's fucking bus stop, you know, man. Gotta do something in it.
What are you doing?
Winding up the haters.
Why?
God, some knobhead said, oh, you can't do that. You'll wear your handbrake down. If you press the button, it won't wear the handbrake down. I was like, no, oh my God. People still believe the witchcraft that making your handbrake click is going to wear it out. It doesn't do that. And it sounds fucking amazing. So I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it when I'm driving.
Yeah, let's not.
Oh. Oh no, oh no. Educational lesson for all of you. You don't wear two pieces of metal by lightly rubbing them together. Heat and friction causes wear, not ratcheting.
So I can cut my paper.
Nah.
We can pop round. Okay.
Dirty animal.
Oh dear.
That's broken. Should we cough?
He even did his window up.
Did he?
Yeah.
People are suffering. Ecosystems are collapsing.
Retro me.
How dare you?
That is proper nasty, isn't it?
Oh, his door flung open.
Oh dear. Yeah.
How dare you?
Yeah.
What is wrong with your face?
I'm very excited.
Why?
Very excited.
Why?
Chili plant.
No!
Yes.
No!
We just ready for air.
Are you gonna move or not, Nobed? What's he doing? Is lady behind driving with her mirror folded in? I think she might be. You probably want to just like pull over quickly and sort that out. Yeah, she is. Oh, bless her. Plant tire services. I didn't know plants had tires. You learn something new every day. Do you know what? I reckon we should ban mobile phone hoarders that stick to the window like that, encouraging you to use your mobile phone. It's just like, because you get a message, yeah, you go, ba-doop, ba-doop, or whatever your message sounds like. That's what mine sounds like, because I'm awesome. You get a message, and then you're just so tempted because it's right in front of your face, yeah, blocking your view. You're just like more tempted to fucking use your phone, aren't you? So, do you know what I reckon? I reckon there should be a fine for stupid placement of phone holders, because it's just encouraging you to fiddle, isn't it? It's encouraging you to have a fiddle with your phone. Yeah, clown.
Beans, magical fruit. The more you eat, the more you toot. The more you toot, the more you eat, the more you spend on the toilet seat. Hey!
See the toilet.
Beans.
McDonald's. I want to go McDonald's.
No, we're not going to McDonald's. We're going to get some beans.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to get some beans now. Beans. Beans. We're not getting McDonald's, we're getting beans! No! Beans! Yeah! Beans!
What have you done? Alright, stop now.
I give up, man. I give up. I'm just gonna clap at them. Make some sad noises, Alexei. Aww.
Why?
Aww.
So sad.
Hey, baby girl, make some sad noises. Aww. Aww.
Oh, right, yeah, I'm with you now.
No, yeah.
Twinkle, twinkle, chocolate star, your dad drives a rusty car. We'll be again of a starting to glow. We'll be a summer, 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 summer. And everybody enjoy the pretty ride. And now we're daddy, dun, dun, dun.
What an amazing song.
Huh? Well, me.
Yep.